We got easy pocket option strategy here, with the Binary Sniper Pro version 3.4 offers a highly effective trading strategy that will enhance your success rate. This method is simplified and works well in quick trading, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced traders. By using this Binary Sniper Pro indicator, you gain access to a powerful tool that has been rigorously tested and proven to deliver consistent trading results over time. So, what exactly does this Metatrader IV indicator do? The Binary Sniper Pro version 3.4 continuously scans the market for potential 1-minute reversal opportunities. It carefully analyzes price movements and patterns to identify moments when the market is likely to change direction, providing you with timely signals to enter trades. This indicator comes equipped with an advanced alert system that notifies you immediately when a potential reversal is detected. This feature ensures that you never miss a trading opportunity, allowing you to react quickly and make informed decisions in fast-moving markets. Take a look at this. We received an alert. CAD CHF has triggered a sell signal. As we can see on our chart, the overall trend is up. However, the 5-second candlesticks do not show a strong uptrend. There are only brief upward reversals here. Still, let's try to trade based on this signal. The trend is going up, and we may lose it, given that our indicator is on 90 to 95% accurate. However, it can deliver an almost 80% success rate. We will reverse our trade, but this time, it is not the best approach. The trend is not in a strong uptrend. Let's wait for another alert. AUD-CHF has triggered a sell alert confirmation. The overall trend is going upward and moving smoothly. Let's trade with the downtrend for 1 minute. We are using 5-second Heiken Ashi candles for smoother trend analysis, with a trading duration of at least 1 to 2 minutes. With our session here, we're trading for 1 minute. We got trading alert coming from our Metatrader IV platform. Euro-USD got sell alert confirmation. As we can see here, a strong uptrend, leading us to have a good chance to win on this. Let's trade directly without hesitation for 1 minute, hoping that we can win on this. We got 50-50 situation here. And the trend goes down, with a winning success on this. Our trend here reverse and goes up, but still got positive results over time. See the rest of the video and don't forget to follow us to get latest trading strategies with Pocket Option and with other trading brokers. Download the indicator now at ultimatefxtools.com. You can also have free signals with Telegram channel. See description below.